Hi, my name's Graham Misson. I'm 74 just in a few months. I had problems with my teeth, probably I'm a grinder, and I came out to Vietnam to get my teeth done, and I was very happy with that because I'd looked in other places as well to get that information. But as I got involved with the dentist here, I felt more relaxed. Once I started speaking to the people here, it just got more better, and I haven't looked back. And the more I got in contact with you guys, the more I felt and relaxed, which was good.
Clients will receive a comprehensive examination and digital portrait photography. Based on facial proportions, lip lines, and individual preferences, the dentist will utilize smile design technology to simulate the future tooth shape and color, allowing clients to preview their results. An advanced imaging system helps the dentist accurately assess the condition of the dental pulp and occlusion, bite. Prior to the procedure, clients will undergo oral prophylaxis, calculus removal, scaling, and thorough treatment of any existing pathologies, if applicable, to ensure a completely sterile and safe environment. With modern techniques and the expert skill of our specialists, the tooth preparation process is exceptionally gentle, maximizing the preservation of natural tooth structure. Next, the clinic utilizes 3D intraoral scanning technology, iTero/3Shape, to gently scan the oral cavity, capturing data accurate to the micrometer. This replaces traditional rubber base impressions and completely eliminates any gag reflex or discomfort. Guided by advanced anesthesia technology, clients can fully relax without experiencing any pain or sensitivity throughout the procedure. Just 24 to 48 hours later, the clinic welcomes clients back for a try-in session. The dentist will temporarily place the porcelain restorations onto the dental arch, allowing clients to meticulously evaluate the color, anatomy under natural light, and marginal fit during occlusion. Once the client is 100% satisfied, the porcelain teeth will be permanently bonded using specialized dental adhesive, delivering a radiant and absolutely confident smile. Thuy Anh's journey does not end with a beautiful smile, it is a lifetime companionship. Clients will receive an authentic warranty card valid for up to decades, along with dedicated post-operative care and scheduled checkup reminders. No matter where you are in the world, your smile will always be closely monitored and protected by our team of specialists.